Hello guys, today we will discuss about nomenclature of fatty acids. Fatty acids are nothing but the long chain carboxylic acids. They are amphipathic in nature because they have both hydrophilic and hydrophobic part. Here we will begin with the acetic acid. It is the smallest fatty acid and its systematic name is ethanoic acid. It has been derived from ethane and that's why it is ethanoic acid. Ethane is C2H6. Okay, here the carboxylic group is added and a methyl group is deleted, and in this way we get ethanoic acid CH3COOH. Similarly, in saturated fatty acid we will use the suffix anoic acid, like here ethanoic acid. Okay, and in unsaturated fatty acid the suffix enoic acid is used. Unsaturated fatty acid contains carbon-carbon double bonds, whereas saturated fatty acid does not contain carbon-carbon double bonds. Okay, so we will start with saturated fatty acid. Lauric acid. It is a saturated fatty acid. You can see that there is no carbon-carbon double bond and hence it is a saturated fatty acid. Its formula is CH3CH2 10COOH. It has been derived from dodecan. Dodecan means C12H26. This is called dodecan. Okay, and that's why this fatty acid is named as dodecanoic acid. Anoic acid, the suffix has been used, okay, with the dodecan, and that's why the systematic name of lauric acid is dodecanoic acid. Okay, the numbering is done from the carboxylic carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here it is methyl group, CH3 group, and here it will be CH2 group. Okay, at these points CH2 groups are present. So 10 CH2 groups are there, one methyl group and one carboxylic group. Now we will see another example of saturated fatty acid. Myristic acid. It is also a saturated fatty acid. Its formula is CH3CH2 12COOH. Here it contains 12 plus 2, 14 carbon atoms, and hence it is called as tetradecanoic acid. Okay, tetradecanoic acid. So what is the parent of this acid? C14H30. Okay, so this is tetradecan and tetradecanoic acid, anoic acid. Okay, this suffix has been added. Now palmitic acid. It is also a saturated fatty acid. Its formula is CH3CH2 14COOH, and this acid has been derived from hexadecan, that is C16H34. Okay, so this acid is also called as hexadecanoic acid. Hexadecanoic acid. Is it clear? Now we will move to unsaturated fatty acid. Palmitoleic acid. It is an unsaturated fatty acid. Here carbon-carbon double bond is present. Okay, and the double bond is present between 9th and 10th carbon. Okay now. So this is called as 16 carbon atoms, hexadecanoic acid, enoic acid. Okay, this is unsaturated fatty acid and suffix enoic acid is used. The position of double bond is at 9th carbon, and cis here denotes that these bonds are present at the same side of double bond. If these are present at opposite side, then this is called as trans. All biological fatty acids are cis. Okay. Oleic acid. It is also a unsaturated fatty acid, and here the total number of carbon atoms is 18 and double bond is present at 9th carbon. Okay, so this oleic acid is called as octadecanoic acid. The position of double bond is at 9th carbon, and this is the cis isomerism. Okay. Linoleic acid. It is also a unsaturated fatty acid, and here two double bonds are present. First is at 9th carbon and second is at 12th carbon. So this is 9, 12, octadeca, two double bonds, di means 2, enoic acid. Is it clear? Octadecan, 18 carbon, okay, and dienoic acid means two double bonds are present. Decanoic acid, enoic acid suffix, and this cis position is here. So cis, 9, 12, octadeca, dienoic acid. Alpha linoleic acid, ALA. It is also a unsaturated fatty acid, and here you can see 3 double bonds are present. It is of 18th carbon. It is also a 18th carbon compound, but this acid contains 3 double bonds, and myristic acid and alpha linoleic acid are polyunsaturated fatty acid because it contains more than one double bonds. And for polyunsaturated fatty acid, another convention is also used. This methyl end is understood as omega 1, this is omega 2, this is omega 3. Okay, similarly omega 4. So this is omega convention. Okay, here we can see that the double bond is at omega 3 position. So alpha linoleic acid is a omega 3 fatty acid. Is it clear? Now here we will see that this is omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5 and omega 6. Yeah, so this is an omega 6 fatty acid. This concept of omega nomenclature is applicable only for polyunsaturated fatty acid. In this convention, the carbon atoms most distant to the carboxylic group, that is this one, is assigned as omega 1. Okay, and omega is the last alphabet in Greek letter. So this is the methyl and CH3 group. Okay, this is omega 1, omega 2 and omega 3. So here the double bond is present, so this is a omega 3 fatty acid. But here at the omega 6 position double bond is present, so this is called as omega 6 fatty acid. One more thing, the shorthand representation of this unsaturated fatty acid is, here you can see 18 carbon atoms, so you will write 18. Ratio, the 3 double bonds are present, so you will write 3. Now the position of double bonds 9, 12 and 15, so it will be written in the bracket above delta 9, 12, 15. So this is the shorthand representation of this alpha linolenic acid, and it is an essential fatty acid because it cannot be synthesized in the body. It needs to be taken by diet, in diet. Okay. Now this linoleic acid is represented as follows. Here you count the number of carbon atoms, that is 18. So this is 18 is 2. How many double bonds are present? 2 double bonds. So this is 2. And what are the position of double bonds? 9th and 12th. So delta 9, 12. So this is the representation of the carbon skeleton of this fatty acid. Now we will see here in oleic acid how many carbon atoms are present? 18. So this is 18 is 2. How many double bonds are present? Only 1. So this is 1. And what is the position of double bond? At 9th carbon. So here we will write 9. Okay. We will not consider this double bond because it is between C and O. We will consider only CC double bond. Okay. Now here in palmitoleic acid, the number of carbon atom is 16. So 16 is 2. How many double bonds? Only 1. So this is 1. And what is the position of double bond? 9th position. So this is 9. So this is the representation of carbon skeleton of the unsaturated fatty acid. Similarly, in saturated fatty acid, we can named as follow. Here you will see in lauric acid the number of carbon atom is 12. So it is 12 is 2. How many double bonds are present? No double bonds. So here we will write 0. Understood? Similarly, in maristic acid, you will see the number of double bond is, carbon atom is 14 is 2. Number of double bond 0. No double bond is present. In hexadecanoic acid, number of carbon atom is 14 plus 2, 16 is 2. The number of double bond is 0. So this is how you can represent a fatty acid. I hope you all have learnt. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day. Bye.